Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the car's status and what parts you'll need. This saves time. Once done, open the hood using the left screen toggle to reveal the engine core. Make sure to collect the wrench, repair kit, and 2 spare wires from your inventory before you proceed. Those items are required for the only successful fix. You'll also want to check fuel and HP so you can prioritize repairs versus replacements. Do not skip the parts gathering step. You now remove the damaged core, unscrew all 4 bolts steadily and pull it straight out to avoid catching nearby wires. Once out, install the replacement power cell and route the 2 new wires exactly along the original channels. Alignment prevents shorting later. Make sure connectors click into place, then tighten bolts to the specified torque feel, firm, not brutal. After that, reconnect the coolant line and visually inspect all joints for any sign of leaking or loose fittings. You finish by running an ignition test for 10 seconds, monitor the gauges and listen carefully for any misfires or grinding noises. If the engine won't start, immediately recheck wiring connectors and the fuse box. Replace any blown fuse with the spare in your kit. Once it runs smoothly, perform a short drive to verify stability, then save your game state or log the repair. If problems persist, restart the session after swapping the core once more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.